Alright, here we have a KAPP Titanium 3-way shaft, distributed by Pacific Paintball, 119 College Avenue, Santa Rosa, California, 95401. Don't call the number, doesn't exist anymore. Looks like it's opened, so let's take it out, get a good look at it. These are actually, I believe, titanium like it says, so not just some trickery. You can see it has a very wide oval groove right there. Not sure if it's used. I think it's probably used. Would imagine that these were possibly machined by Dirk, but I don't actually know. Might have to check with them. It's a standard close-spaced switch shaft, so would fit KAPP's switches. It would fit Belsales, Russell Breeden, A&S, Taso made some of these. Many other companies did, but super light. I would say it feels like it's titanium. Very cool.